Every year, the state of Uttar Pradesh faces flooding of river Ganga on its left bank, resulting in loss of usable land, life and property. To mitigate this problem, UP Irrigation Department has proposed the construction of a marginal band along the left bank of Ganga from Narora to UP-Bihar border, Balia. The government of UP has decided to utilize the marginal band for constructing an 8-lane expressway. So, the government on 5th September 2007 declared that through public-private partnership initiative, an ultra-modern 1047 km road would be constructed by spending an amount of Rs 40,000 crores. So, in this video, I'll tell you about a very ambitious project of the Uttar Pradesh government, that is Ganga Expressway. But before proceeding further, if you like this video, please share it with your groups and your family. Ganga Expressway is a greenfield project. That means it is planned and built from scratch. The expressway will run from Greater Noida to Narora over normal embankment and from Narora to UP-Bihar border Balia on proposed marginal embankment along left bank of river Ganga. The expressway will connect to Taj Expressway in Greater Noida. The expressway over marginal embankment will pass through Badaयूं, शाहजहांपुर, हरदोई, उन्नाव, कानपुर, रायबरेली, प्रतापगढ़, प्रयागराज, संत रविदास नगर, वाराणसी, गाजीपुर and Balia. It is expected that the journey from Greater Noida to Balia shall be covered in 10 to 12 hours and 20 districts of UP will be covered under the proposed expressway project. Phase 1 of the project will connect Bijoli village on NH 334 in Meerut district with Judapur Dandu village on NH 19 in Prayagraj district, and the state government expects the project to be completed by the year 2024. Phase 1 will go through 140 rivers and will cover 12 districts of Uttar Pradesh, namely Meerut, Hapur, Bulandshahr, Amroha, Sambhal, Badaयूं, Shahjahanpur, Hardoi, Unnao, Raebareli, Pratapgarh and Prayagraj, and maximum length of the expressway will be in Unnao district. A 3.5 km long airstrip will be built on the expressway in Shahjahanpur, where Air Force aircraft will be able to land and take off in case of emergency. The Ganga Expressway will have main toll plazas at Meerut and Prayagraj, and in addition to main toll plazas, there will be 15 additional ramp toll plazas. 2 bridges have been planned along the corridor. One 960-meter long bridge is planned over Ganga River and a 720-meter long bridge will be built on Ram Ganga River. A total of 18 flyovers and 8 roads over bridges will be built along Ganga Expressway. The Ganga Expressway will provide seamless connectivity linkages to Purvanchal Expressway, Yamuna Expressway and Agra-Lucknow Expressway. Ganga Expressway will connect Garh Mukteshwar of Hapur to Matthias Memorial in Meerut and will pass through Amroha, facilitating access to the famous Vasudev temple. After Amroha, the Ganga Expressway will be connected to Kaila Devi temple of Sambhal, and after Sambhal, the Ganga Expressway will reach Shahjahanpur, where it will be connected to Hanumant Dham. In the phase 2, the government of Uttar Pradesh has decided to extend the project on either sides like Meerut to Haridwar and Prayagraj to Balia via Varanasi. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel for latest updates.